What's happening, guys? Lock Jimmy here. We're going to do a tool review. Just got a shipment of tools, some picks from Sparrows in. And I'm going to talk about them one by one. We've been talking about the Medusa because it's the only one I had. And now, let's talk about the Sandman. Look at that. Sorry. Look at that. This is great because, excuse me, it works similar to a twin peak, I imagine. Let me grab one for comparison. This is about as twin as I get. We'll get to him in just a little bit. This is great for, you can use it right here where my thumb is touching. Get it and rock it so you can push those stubborn pins up, rake it back and forth, and you can flip it over. Use it the opposite way. That's awesome. And it's very comfortable. It's got that awesome dragon design on there. But I can't wait to add this to my personal tool collection. Or at least try it out in the field. I've already added it. But there we go. There's the Sandman. Very impressive. One more look at the Alright, moving right along, let me put him up and grab the next one. Up next is the Octo. It's a rake, or a rocker rake, because it's got this right here. You can get in and rock it and scrub. Look at that laser engraving there. It's like the Kraken, or well, it's literally an octopus, but really good tool to have in your arsenal. And it's great for just getting in there. You can angle it into the keyway, scrub and scrub and scrub. Awesome tool. One more look at him. Octo rake. Let's move on to the next set of tools. This is the Reflection. This is they're all in the same family. Here's a single peak. This is just 1/3 of the Gothic girl, you see? Right here you have the single peak. You can reach in, do a little bit of rocking and lifting. Definitely scrub just a little bit. A single peak. Very useful. Very well made, good and smooth. Let's talk about this one. This is the double peak. Good for that scrubbing and pin skipping for the high, low. So you could angle it. I like to give them a twist here and there as I'm going in. You could probably do a little bit of rocking and some SPP if you're so inclined. But this one is my favorite, only because it's a Bogota style triple peak. And we all know that with a Bogota you can get into a lot of locks just because it gives you that 1, 2, 3. Get in there and just scrub and twist You can do a little bit of SPP, maybe just a fuzz of rocking with him, not a lot. But it's an awesome tool. Very well made. And can't complain at all about this one. Oops, sorry. Let's get them all out and look at them. Alright, this is what I have so far. Hopefully we'll get the Warlock to complete the collection. Sorry. The Medusa. We've seen her in a lot of other videos. Awesome, awesome stuff. Very good collection of high quality tools to add to your arsenal. Small price to pay, I'm sure. All of you are lusting for my tools right now. So if you don't have these, I highly recommend you go get them. Well, fellas, that's all the time we have today for this tool review. Hit sparrowslockpicks.com. Go to single picks. That's where you're going to find this wonderful collection. And every chance you get, rock out with your lockout. Lock Jimmy. Peace.